I'm Jared from Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'll be demonstrating a customer-supplied, pneumatically actuated 4-magnet lifting tool integrated with Aimco's power tilt and torque arm vertical lift. This tool is designed to lift these metal fence panels off of a vertical hanger and flip them 90 degrees to horizontal to place them onto a pallet. To operate the tool, you align the magnets with the panel, press the magnet engage button, and wait for the green indicator to pop up, and you're safe to lift. After lifting it off of the rack, you simply pull it out, press the button to engage the power tilt to the horizontal position, slide the panel over to the pallet, and then lower it onto the pallet. Press down the magnet disengage button and the common trigger, and release. Thanks for watching. For more product videos, visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.